God. Right. This horrible gate now. I need your attention. The grass. Now it's going this way. Come here. A bit closer. Stand. That's not standing, is it? Go back now. Go back. Go back. Wait. Stand. Nope, not going that way. Goose. Slippery. There's a bit back. Gosh, it's a horrible day there. Anyway, we're through it. You do some funny things sometimes, Goose. It feels like you're going to tank off when you do that, and you never ever do. Oh, there's no water in this. Blimey. Look at that. It's completely dried out. Climb the rack. Completely dry. Come on then. Count. Go on, count. Go on. Count. That's a good boy.